Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering exact ingredients. Use 2 large eggs, 2 slices sourdough, 1 tablespoon basil pesto, and 1 slice provolone cheese to match Starbucks flavor. Measure 1 teaspoon butter and 1 teaspoon olive oil for the skillet and for spreading on the toast. Preheat a non-stick skillet over medium heat for about 2 minutes while you toast the bread lightly for 1 to 2 minutes until just golden. This keeps it crisp but pliable when assembled. Whisk 2 eggs with 1 tablespoon milk and a pinch of salt and pepper until slightly frothy to mimic the airy texture on the sandwich. Heat 1 teaspoon olive oil in the skillet over medium and pour the eggs in, stirring gently for about 3 to 4 minutes until soft curds form, but the eggs remain moist. Press and fold the cooked egg into a loose patty sized to the bread, approximately 3.5 inches to 4 inches across, so it layers evenly with cheese and pesto. Spread 1 tablespoon basil pesto evenly on 1 slice of toasted sourdough and spread 1 teaspoon butter on the other slice to aid browning. Place the folded egg patty on the pesto side, add 1 slice provolone over the egg, then close the sandwich and return to the skillet, grilling about 1 to 2 minutes per side over medium-low until the cheese melts and the bread is golden. Serve hot immediately. The melted provolone and pesto balance the creamy egg texture and recreate the Starbucks Egg Pesto sandwich experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.